In today's video, we are going to show you how to get a Cash App card if you're under 18, even if you don't have a government-issued ID. The key thing to know is that Cash App for Teens allows users between 13 and 17 years old to have their own Cash App account, but it must be sponsored by a parent or legal guardian. Once everything is set up correctly, you can order and use your own Cash App card. So the first thing that you need to do is download the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store. If you're between 13 and 17 years old, you'll need to create your account with the help of your parent or legal guardian. During the setup process, Cash App will ask them to sponsor your account. Once they approve the request, your teen account will be activated. Now, to sponsor your account successfully, your parent or guardian should make sure their own Cash App account is fully verified. So, open the Cash App, tap the profile icon, and go to the personal information. Complete any requested identity verification. Make sure a funding source has been added. Having a fully verified sponsor account helps prevent issues when requesting a Cash App card for a teen account. Next, your parent or guardian should link a debit card or bank account to their Cash App. If you're looking for a debit card that's designed for younger users, one option is the Chase First Banking. This is a checking account for kids that's managed by a parent. It includes a debit card, spending controls, and parental oversight, and parents can monitor transactions, set limits, and help teens learn money management. And whether it can be linked to Cash App depends on the Cash App's current compatibility and eligibility requirements. So availability may vary, and all I have to do is create your account here. All right. And then go back to Cash App. You need to enter the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing information. And after entering all the details, double check that everything is correct. Cash App may verify the card before allowing you to use it. Once it's successfully linked, you'll have a funding source connected to your account. And one of the features available for teen accounts is the ability to create savings goals. To do this, go to the savings section, tap create a goal. Of course, you can name your goal and customize it by putting an emoji and choose how much you'd like to save. This is a great way to save money for things like a new phone, gaming setup, clothes, or other purchases while learning good financial habits. And if you've followed all of these steps and you're still unable to order your Cash App card, the best option is to contact Cash App support. You can visit the Cash App Help Center, read the articles about Cash App for teens, and or contact support directly through the app if you needed additional assistance. They can explain why your account isn't eligible or what information may still be needed. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can get a Cash App account if you are under 18. Remember, you cannot bypass Cash App's age or identity requirements because the teen accounts require an approved parent or legal guardian sponsor. The sponsor must complete any required verification before the teen can access all features. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.